All right, we're on Unit 10, Lesson 1, and we are learning about circles in Unit 10. And so I'm assuming that you drew the pictures for numbers 1 through 6, first of all, and now we're looking at 7 and 8. So when we talk about circles, we are always looking for radii because we know that radii in a circle are congruent. So in number 7, I can mark that AB is congruent to AC, which then makes this triangle isosceles. And once that triangle is isosceles, you know that base angles are congruent. So this angle is going to be congruent to that one, which is 32.5. And to find the missing angle in the middle, angle A, you would just add those together and subtract from 180. So you can do that on your own. Same thing happens over in number 8. We have a whole bunch of isosceles triangles because really I know that all of the radii are congruent, all 3 of these line segments. So I have an isosceles triangle ABC. Let's just say, so here's my vertex angle, my base angles need to be congruent. So if I do 180 minus 70, I get 110, divide by 2, I get 55 for angle B, well really ABC, and 55 for angle ACB, 55. You're going to use the same concept to get the missing angles in the isosceles triangle ABD. And this is 21.8, so my other base angle is 21.8. Add them up and subtract from 180 to get this angle A. And then our little trick is to get this next angle, which will be your starting point for your third isosceles triangle. We should know that all the way around this point A should add to 360 degrees. So you're going to take your 70 plus your answer from this arc and subtract from 360, and that will get you this angle to start with, your vertex angle, and then you can find those 2 little angles. All right, finish that up on your own and make sure you do the review question.